Hey there, Principal Daugherty. Thank you so much for hopping on this call today. Really appreciate it.
Hi, thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, well, as you know, your campus, Smith Elementary, was chosen for our campus close-up, and we're going to be out of your campus the week of February 9th, and we're going to be out there highlighting all the great things about your school. But we always like to hop on these calls first and kind of talk to the principal and just kind of see what your campus is like, and just talk to me about that. What's the campus culture like there?
So we are Cowboys strong at Catherine Smith Elementary. We are the home of the Cowboys, or Vaqueros. We are a dual language campus, and we are super proud to have you guys come out and see a little bit about what we do at Catherine Smith. And so some of the components that we have after school are we have volleyball club, dance club, cheer club, and during the school day we have some extra activities such as we have a piano teacher who does piano class for us.
Oh, I love that. And I was actually going to ask that, kind of like, are there any kind of clubs or organizations that maybe students really gravitate toward, or that are just like really popular with the students there?
So the after-school clubs, most definitely, and for 4th and 5th grade students, we are able to provide that experience to them. So they have it's small group, individual, and small group piano classes for them.
Very, very nice. Something we talk a lot here around the district is kind of we talk a lot about, just improving our schools and kind of keeping this momentum going, and kind of just the academic success we've seen. What would you say Smith Elementary does to kind of contribute to that, and what you all are doing for the success of your students?
So most definitely, we push the high quality instruction on our campus. Our students work really hard during First Teach, and they work really hard to get to the LSAE time. We're an NES campus, and we are super proud of the work that we've done here. They are growing strong, and we are proud to have students who are confident in both languages, English and Spanish.
I love that. I love that. Well, like I mentioned, we'll be out of your campus next week, the week of February 9th, to tell a lot of these great stories. Hopefully we'll be able to see a lot of these clubs and students in person and kind of get to talk to them and whatnot. But yeah, thank you for hopping on the call. We'll keep this short and sweet, and we will see you next week for Campus Close-Up.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Have a good one.
You too.
Bye-bye.